Ya baik kau sain. Menyoda. Aku tak ceju. Apa cuba ke apa benda tu bulu oma dida ini. Eso leni dida itu ikana na kwa pia akateba be kwa taba enana akwa mchicha atibia mako mako kwa ka atibi baba itibe abi kwa ko ina mecha acheka agua kata kufua ita chika chama na sono mchauka la mito tebe atujua ya manake ya manake abo tate ikicha na kikicha nikwambia nionyesheni tajiri mjinga na itajia hela mchana kucha yuko makini sasa logo na nini mpaka mpaka ndio kuona huko tafasiri maana gani akili yako iseme eba so pana kuteba kama akwa chiada kwa tupepia na kwa pekes kana na utao benanga ubelemu empatene patene ya Rana sayona awanika wako ama nakoza sama bitakwe angabetetea zaza basa sama kwa betesesho tumetumika maka pia kuchagua wala natetenga ama na hehesa wakuchapa kwanza shi unatacheta shi ya betete kwanza shi la ino makwela chuwa kwa peta wana kwa aboko isama nako boko kwacho mana kamba ishi oh mishi aka Saya bebe sasa kebeba kuwa yona shi ya tuma mkidi owahi kuwa tekelele be we ko tang ani hemi ko chapa ki ko aka ne ko bibi ko la matia
In the early heat of the afternoon, a small group of Hadzabe men and women move quietly across the dry earth, their eyes trained on subtle signs in the soil. A cracked mound, a faint change in color, these are enough to signal food hidden underground. One woman kneels and begins to dig with a simple wooden stick, loosening the hard-packed dirt with practiced rhythm. Beneath the surface, thick tubers are uncovered, their roots twisting deep into the ground, storing water and starch essential for survival in this arid land. The work is communal and unhurried. Children watch closely, learning where to dig and how far to follow the roots before pulling them free. The tubers are brushed clean and broken open, some eaten immediately, others saved for later. This food will become part of the midday meal, shared by the tribe under the shade of acacia trees. There is no surplus, no waste, only what is needed for the day. For the Hadzabe, digging tubers is more than gathering food. It is knowledge passed down through generations, a relationship with the land built on patience and attention. As the group returns to camp, the harvest is modest but sufficient. Lunch is prepared simply, and eaten together, reinforcing bonds of family and tribe. An everyday ritual that has sustained the Hadzabe for thousands of years. As the sun climbs higher over the savanna, the Hadzabe move with calm purpose across the landscape. The land appears dry and unforgiving, but to them it is rich with meaning. Every plant, every mark in the soil carries information learned through a lifetime of careful attention. This is not wandering, it is reading the earth. A woman stops and presses her foot lightly against the ground, testing its firmness. She points to a spot where the soil is slightly raised and cracked. With a digging stick carved smooth from years of use, she begins to work the earth. The motion is steady and efficient, breaking through the surface layer to reach the dense soil beneath. Others.
Kuna mama kutakata ikaina mebebe. Anyanyida na kutuiji. Tamu kwa shwa mna be. Kwa. Ubani daranga. Saka sumena chala kama sasa.
Aku ni nak kasih cakap ikan ni tu bijan.
Saya kita mana dah guna ni.
Kaya tu ada dulu.
Karena kecil, pasti karena musuh jenis itu. Aku tu tena bang siapa tak.
Lepas nak apa ni ya? Tosha ataka. Kawan, opea kati ya mana pun.
Kuanzia Gendereani. Gendereani,
Ona kwa bena wa iko.
Kama baya unuka ko taani.
Wa iko na hama.
Tebe.
Second be. Iko tosha. Labe.
Nadhani ni hapa mnahemeheme kidogo. Na wanakuambia ng'ombe mweusi
Iya. Pesi mana kata hak.
Aku mana check it out.
Tu iko.
Sa kopinya kwenda niko. Kita kau isu nak lihat sekolah aku. Nak kita tutup.
Mana uma baia. Ya si aku tahu.
Nama tujuh nawa.
Wah.
Mika apa?
Pasti mana kata mesti.
Ala ta suka ka. Oh, mana abang mana? Seme mana kata? Sekarang motor baru na. Apa kau tu dia kau ayah?
Bapak pasti saya aku pasti. Aku dia aku sangat.
Aku tu
Kwa
Ele ya bani ai